Hey everybody, it's your girl Nicole Umberger coming to you live from the Godgivenslay account. And I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I have started a new account. My hair is giving me a fit tonight. I wanted to let you know that I've started a new account. And I will be keeping this one to promote the products on, but my new account is called You Are Worthy of His Love. And the account is up now. Please go and follow that account. It's you_R_worthy of His love, underscore in between all of that. And if you have any trouble finding it, just type in Nicole Umberger and I'm sure it'll come up. But it is an account that I made to share the Word of God on. I am passionate about God. I'm passionate about Jesus. I'm passionate about how much He loves me, how much He loves you. And I just felt led to start this account and do this. I mean, there's so many people out there who have no self-worth, no self-esteem, no confidence, no self-love. And can I tell you something? Those of you who are constantly having to be in a relationship, constantly have to have a boyfriend or girlfriend. Hello, Mr. Hurst. How are you? Those of you who constantly have to be in a relationship, did you know that you can't even love somebody right until you love yourself? So this account is hopefully going to get that started for some of you. And I'm excited about it. I'm really excited about it. I do understand that everybody has different views, so I do ask that if you don't agree with some of the things I say on that account, please don't come on my account arguing with me about the Bible. Please don't. I don't do that. I will block you. I don't play. I'm not taking anything out of context. Everything that I'm talking about either comes directly from here or it comes from my experience. So, I interpret it in the way I take it through my experience, and I don't take things out of context. I take the Word of God very, very seriously. Another thing I wanted to come on here and talk about, ladies and gentlemen, and I just went live on Facebook about this, so I have to go live on here and tell you, stop spending all your money on all of these anti-aging serums, anti-aging creams that are not doing anything anti-aging for you. For real, stop it. Stop, because you look ridiculous. Stop it. Stop. I have what you need. It's paraben free, toxin free, all natural, organic ingredients, worry free, non-chemically harvested, Leaping Bunny certified, and it's $42. Yes. And one bottle lasts me, and I use it all over my face. I don't use it just on my lines and wrinkles. One bottle lasts me 3-4 months tops. $42. I'm telling you. Everybody who just watched me on my Facebook account bought a bottle tonight. I'm telling you. Get this stuff. It's called, I call it Botox in a bottle. Sotox. If you don't know where to get it, just click the link in the bio. www.godgivenslay.com. Go on there, buy your bottle, do the $2.95 shipping because they've been shipping out orders the very next day or the day of order. But since it's nighttime now, if you order tonight, they won't ship it till tomorrow. I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. This stuff is amazing. This stuff is why my skin looks phenomenal. I am telling you, you need this. You need this. Now that we've went global, our ingredients are worldwide approved. So you don't have to buy stuff from Europe just to get safe stuff. We sell safe stuff too. Safer is better. So I'm telling you, jump on godgivenslay.com, grab yourself $42. $42, and it works. It works. It works. It works. I actually have a tab on my profile you can pop your little finger on and check out the before and afters of everybody who used this little product. It is amazing. It's phenomenal. Plus, I have a number 2. That was number 1, my skin polish, which is amazing. It smells literally like lemon meringue pie heaven on an island with a clear water beach. It's phenomenal. And all of this stuff is sensitive skin friendly too. So that's pretty awesome. So anybody wanting to, I don't mean diminish, lessen the appearance. I mean get rid of that sagging skin. Get rid of those wrinkles. Get rid of those fine lines. Get rid of those dark under eye circles. Get rid of scars. Anything like that. Come on. Go hit up godgivenslay.com, get yourself a bottle tonight or whenever you see this video, and let me know. Let me know that you ordered so I can thank you publicly. And I just want to give you, long distance hugs for everybody who orders. I'm excited to get this stuff into everybody's hands. It's amazing. It's phenomenal. It is the best stuff I have ever used. Like, seriously. All of those deep, dark dents that were in my face, they're gone because of this. They're gone. I can walk around with no makeup and be fine with it because of this. Because of this. Try it for a week. If you're not 100% happy, send it back. Full refund, 30-day money-back guarantee. But we have less than a 6% return rate because nobody ever returns it. And that's less than 6% return rate within the past 3 years. Come on now. What you got to lose? All right, guys. I love you guys. Have a great night. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow me on You Are Worthy of His Love. Good night.